Hello everyone. Today we are going to have the session of the module, that is monthly assessment review quiz. And every bench will going to get one question. And if the question had not been answered by that particular bench, the question passes away for the next bench. And if that question is not been answered by that bench also, that question is open for the whole class. And this is how we could go with the module quiz. We will review what we had been done in the past classes, the previous classes, what the topic had been covered. We are going to review that on the basis of the quiz. Hope you are going to enjoy this session. Let us start with the first question. And the first question goes to the bench number 1. Okay. Here is your question. Repeat your answer.
Management is the process of planning, organizing, leading and controlling the resources of the organization with the help of other people in effective and efficient manner.
Good. Okay. Anybody else on this bench who want to answer this question? Apart from these two students. Anybody? Okay. Yeah. Now the next question is for the bench number 2. Give 2 features of management. For bench number 2. Yes, you answer.
Management is a goal-oriented process and it is intangible in nature.
Very good.
The 2 features of management are it is a continuous process and it is dynamic in nature.
Very good. Answer on this bench. Features of the management. Yes.
Management is universal in nature.
Very good.
Management is a goal-oriented process.
Goal oriented. Now the question goes for the bench 3rd. And the question is, who has given the bureaucratic theory of management?
Next week.
Max Weber. Now the next question goes for the another bench. And the question is, what are the functions of management? Yes. Answer the question.
Planning,
Planning,
organizing, directing,
and controlling. Anybody else who can answer on that bench? Or who?
The function of management is first planning, second on organizing, third staffing, and fourth controlling.
Okay, fine. And these are the functions of management. These are the primary functions of the management, that is planning, organizing, staffing, directing and controlling. Okay. Now the next question is for the next bench. The process. Okay. Anybody else on that bench who would try for this question? Is the essence of management. Now this question. Now the question is, define planning for that bench. The bench number 4.
Planning is the first process of any organization to, first of all, he has to plan according to the
Okay, it is the first process of the management. Now the time try.
Planning is a process which decides in advance what to do, how to do, and who will do.
Very good. Anybody else? Okay, fine. Right. That is the right answer. And here the answer is planning is the determination of the future course of action to achieve the desired goals. Okay? And it is also all about what to do and how to do and when to do and where to do. Okay? So this is all about the planning. Okay, fine. Now the next question is for the next bench. And here is your question. Give 2 features of planning. Planning is pervasive. Partially correct. आपको 2 बताना है. The question will pass from the next page.
Process of management. It is pervasive in nature.
Very good. Pervasive in nature. Very good. Good answer.
Because of it has to follow certain rules and regulations. There is no any there is normal flow of conversation
Good.
and
Another one.
another one it has to follow the hierarchical system.
Which is complex.
Yeah, which is
Yes,
complex.
correct answer. Correct answer. The disadvantages of the bureaucratic model. See, we have been already been discussed under this topic that it is based on the hierarchy. It could not be easy to inform any kind of the things directly to the top level management. You have to go process wise, and that is what many a times the problems remains at the bottom level, and that will not be goes for the upper level, and that is a complex situation. So these are the advantages of your bureaucratic model. Now the next question, like the employee do not develop belongingness to organization. ये एक बहुत बड़ी प्रॉब्लम है कि एम्प्लॉय कभी फील नहीं करता है कि दे बिलोंग्स टू द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. और दूसरा है नेग्लिजेंस ऑफ द ह्यूमन फैक्टर. दे नेवर कंसीडर द ह्यूमन फैक्टर, राइट? They only been considered the process what that had been made. Everyone have to follow that at any circumstances, right? So these are the 2 disadvantages of bureaucratic model. Now the next question for the next page. Who has given the scientific management theory?
Frederick Taylor.
Frederick Taylor, and it is the correct answer. Now one more question for that particular bench. And the question is, give the name of that and okay. 2 job post or job profile comes under the middle level management. Answer.
The 2 jobs for middle level management are handling superintendent, which come under them, and communicating between the top level and the lower level management.
Very good. Good answer. Functional heads. These are the posts as she had been told about the work function also. Okay. Now the next question goes for the next batch. Name any 2 functions of top level management. Functions you have to tell. Yes.
First function of top level management is to make strategies for the organization, and also to look after the welfare of the organization, and it also makes major decisions for the organization.
Very good. Good answer. Very good answer. The next final answer for that, determining the policies, approving the budget, assembling the resources. Okay, these are the major functions of the top level management. Okay. Name any 2 functions of the lower level management for this bench. Yes.
lower level of management should should not go on the strike again and again without any reason, and
Listen, the question.
to less resources to make a maximum profit, and they
उनका काम तो they are manufacturing the product. बोलो.
they are helpful in manufacturing the products, and by using less resources.
Anybody else? You answer the question. Hey.
The two function of lower level management is manufacturing and supervisor.
Supervisor. Okay, correct answer. Remaining to post or job profile related to the lower level management.
Supervisor.
Correct answer. Completed the MARQ, that is the monthly assessment review quiz. We had been review our portions that had been finished in the previous classes, and we had been reviewed with the quiz session also. Hope you all had enjoyed the session, and we had covered all the topics what we had been discussed in the class. Okay, thank you.